Hello guys, if you manage listings on both Booking and Airbnb, here's exactly how to link them to prevent double bookings and sync calendars automatically. Alright, so first thing is to log into your Airbnb account. So you go to the website and then click on your profile, select hosting and listings. Choose the listing you want to sync with booking.com. After that, scroll to Availability, Calendar, and Export Calendar, and then copy the Airbnb iCal link. This is the URL that Booking.com will use to keep your Airbnb bookings updated. After that, sign in into your Booking.com partner account, go to Property, Calendar, and look for Import Calendar. This allows you to bring in your Airbnb bookings so dates stay blocked. And then you paste the Airbnb iCal link into booking.com, import field, set the sync interval, and save. Booking.com will now block dates that are booked on Airbnb automatically. And on booking.com, find the export calendar option and copy the link, go back to Airbnb and choose import calendar, add booking.com calendar, and paste the link. So that's how you link booking.com to Airbnb, export and import iCal links both ways to prevent double bookings and keep your availability updated automatically. That's it for this one. Hopefully you enjoy our guides. If you do, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.